Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the taskbar not working on your Windows computer. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to go ahead and do is on your keyboard, find the Windows and the I key. So you're going to press Window I, and that's going to open up your settings here. And from there on, we're going to go find if there's an option for personalization, right? We're going to click on personalization. And then in the personalization here, we're going to want to check out taskbar. Now in the taskbar options, right, you want to make sure that this is turned on, the task view, right, and widget is on, and this is on as well. If you turn these off, you might not see that taskbar, especially the task view, and that way you won't be able to use it. So that's going to be important to do that. And you're going to look through the settings here. Basically, you don't want to hide it accidentally. Now after you have done that, time to move on to the next thing, which you're going to do Control Alt Delete. So on your keyboard, what you're going to do is find Control Alt and then the delete key. So depending on your computer, you're going to do that, and then from there on, it's going to give you the access for Task Manager. So you're going to open up Task Manager. In the Task Manager, in the Taskbar Manager, you can look for Windows Explorer, or you can just search for it, Windows Explorer. So we're going to search for Windows Explorer, right click on it, and you're simply going to restart that. And when you restart that, it goes and refreshes everything, and your taskbar should show up. Now if it still doesn't show up, the next thing you can do is run as basically a new task, and you're going to search for explorer.exe, executable basically, and that will also fire up your Explorer as well. So you're going to do that as well. Now if it's still not working, the next thing you want to go, and if that didn't work for you, we're going to go ahead and run new task again. This time we're going to run basically CMD, but this time with CMD we're going to create this task as administrative privilege, hit OK, and then from here on we're going to type in SFC /scan now, all in one word, hit OK. And basically this is a tool built in to fix any issues with your computer. Most of the issues can be fixed when you run this. So let it run and finish. Now after you have done that, the last and the final thing is just restarting your computer, and that should go ahead and fix your taskbar not working. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.